Please let the rest of my New Year's Day be quiet. Thank you. Well, guess I'll go home now.
Oh, hey there, Psyche.
See, there is no God.
Yeah, I do stand-up comedy. That's why my legs hurt all the time. Boo, you're not funny. Boo, your mom died. That's what I thought, bitch.
Riddle me this, Buttman. If quizzes are quizzical, then what are tests?
They're testicle. Shit! Okay, insert rod support A into slot B.
That's what-
If you say that's what she said one more time, I'm gonna pop you.
Grandpa and Grandma are fighting again.
I thought I told you to leave them alone. Stop making them fight with each other.
I like drama.
I know exactly where you are!
That sounded terrible!
Says the one with no acting experience. I am the only—
Shut up! Shut up with that! I don't want to hear it!
Oh, what? Are you afraid of being
I'm
wrong?
afraid of you going on for 3 hours about how great you are at acting! Nobody cares! Everyone knows and no one cares!
I am the only one here who understands, and you're constantly acting like a child
I
about
don't want to
it.
hear it!
Every single
I
time.
don't want to hear it!
You can't just—
Shut up!
No, you shut up!
This ballroom used to host the most elegant balls in its day.
Whoa, were they big?
These balls were huge.
I can't let you go now. I've got you.
Toss me my keys. I said my keys.
I thought you said printer.
Why the f would I say printer? Toss me my keys. I said my keys.
I thought you said Christmas tree.
Why the f would I say Christmas tree? Toss me my keys. I said my
I
keys.
thought you said link.
I would never say that!
Why would you think I would say that?